Yeah, I'll go ahead and fan an eyes and dagger that. Seems
Here
good to
we
me.
go.
Nice. I am super okay with them getting an angry chicken as long as they don't put Mark of the Wild on it. Because that would be terrible. Please no Mark. No, 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 no! This game sucks. My refreshment vendor should still make this fine, but wow.
Funnel cakes. Get your funnel cakes here.
That's annoying. Oh, fuck this noise. Fuck this noise. Am I gonna BGH a chicken? I'm actually okay with that. Oh, that's really stupid.
More.
I'm really thinking about BGHing a chicken. I could sap it too, but like, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity, right? You know, this is so dumb. I'm so upset at everything about the world right now. God damn it.
I've got the beast in my sight.
I just BGH'd a chicken.